Soundtrap is making waves in the world of online digital audio workstations, but does it live up to the hype? If you're searching for a flexible platform to create music, stick around as we dive into what Soundtrap offers and what might hold you back. Soundtrap is an online DAW that allows users to create, record, and collaborate on music directly from their web browsers. Right off the bat, the interface feels user-friendly, catering to both beginners and more seasoned musicians. You can record live instruments, add virtual instruments, and utilize a decent library of loops and sound effects. Collaboration is a standout feature, letting multiple users work on the same project in real time, which is pretty cool for remote bands or music classes. However, while it's accessible, some features feel a bit basic compared to traditional DAWs. For instance, advanced editing tools and effects are somewhat limited, which might frustrate users looking for professional-grade capabilities. Plus, the reliance on internet connectivity means you're at the mercy of your network speed, which can be a bummer if you're in a spot with a shaky connection. Overall, it's a solid starting point for budding musicians, but seasoned pros might find it lacking in depth. Let's break down the pros and cons. On the plus side, Soundtrap's collaborative features are fantastic for teamwork and learning, and the intuitive interface makes it easy to jump in without a steep learning curve. The cloud-based nature means your projects are accessible from anywhere, which is a big win. On the flip side, some users might find the limited effects and editing tools a bit frustrating, especially if they're used to more robust software like Ableton or Logic Pro. Pricing can be another concern, as some features are locked behind paywalls, and the free version has significant limitations. If you're a serious musician looking for depth, you might want to explore alternatives. But for casual users or those just starting out, Soundtrap could be a great fit. In conclusion, Soundtrap is worth considering if you're new to music production or need a platform for collaboration. However, if you're a professional looking for extensive features and capabilities, you may want to explore other options. Overall, it's a trustworthy tool for its target audience, but not without its limits.